Welcome to Cam's World! Ashik, what do we have there?
Magnetic Minecraft combined with Mario blocks.
Yeah, it's a magnetic building cubes from GobiDex. Thank you, GobiDex.
Thank you, GobiDex. And it's Minecraft combined with Mario.
Wow. Okay, let's take a look. Maybe you can open it on this side. Like over here.
Wow. Let's take this out.
So what's inside? They have these blocks. They say it's magnetic.
We can make towers with them and stuff.
We have the magnetic cubes manual. And maybe Patrick would start playing with it. Let's open it with the scissors.
And now let's pour it.
Can you pour it?
Like this. It really is magnetic.
It is magnetic. Yeah, it doesn't come off. You need to like rip it apart, I think.
Look, like example, we put this here and we do this.
Wow. Nice.
It's upside down.
I think this could be a map also, right? Could be a map. Maybe you should put those things.
Oh, we need these things. Oh. Still take it out as well.
You can make a zombie block. You can make a village and what is that? Jurassic era theme, and you can do whatever
You want.
Yeah. And what do you think you're gonna make?
This.
Oh.
And also there's a pig there too, buddy. There's a pig on
What
top.
is this one? This is a star.
A lucky block
A lucky block. How about this one?
from Mario.
What's this?
That's a fox.
Fox.
Yeah.
And this one.
Like the mushroom monsters. And this is a chicken from Minecraft.
This is chicken. What else? This one.
A mushroom. Mario mushroom. Super mushroom. So let's do the building. So let's do this. We need to do this. 1, 2, 3. And then we just grab some of this. 2.
Wow. We're gonna take a look. What's gonna be the final? What's gonna happen, right?
So what's gonna be happening?
Oh, you wanna copy this? You wanna copy this?
Yeah.
Okay.
The building is almost finished. Last and least, the pig.
See what it looks like.
And we put this here.
So you just copy exactly what on this picture.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah. And then let's make a tree. The tree. Let's do the tree.
Nice.
I'm making a tree right now. Let's make the tree.
How do you make a tree?
Like this.
You put it here.
Like 2 blocks, and then some of this, and then some of this.
It does look like a tree.
There are not enough pieces, so we just make it like this because there's not enough pieces.
This one is.
And we just do this. There's not enough pieces, so we just make it like that. That's not a tree piece.
What is this?
I don't know.
So that's what a tree. That's what a tree would look like.
Let's build this. This one looks easy.
You're gonna build this, yeah. I think we got the 48 pieces, so you can copy this using the 48 pieces.
We can do this. Like it's like magic, but a tiny bit is connected to the block.
Nice.
It's like a magic trick.
Cool.
And put some more blocks here.
So Patrick able to build this instruction, and this is what it looks like. What do you think of it, Patrick?
It looks good. There's 2 pigs and a mushroom and some lucky blocks.
You're so cool. It's definitely good for kids. Thank you, GobiDex.
Thank you, GobiDex.
Until next time.
Until next time, bye.